Welcome back. Well, BCCI has officially launched a complaint with the International Cricket Council against Pakistan cricketers Haris Rauf and Sahibzada Farhan. The complaint highlights the provocative gestures during their Asia Cup Super 4 match last Sunday. The ICC has acknowledged the receipt of the complaint and is expected to conduct a hearing, especially if they deny the allegations. Let me go across to my colleague Arunil Saradekar joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arunil, so now an official complaint being filed in this regard. This was after a lot of outrage over some of the gestures that they had made, which was seen as political, unwarranted amid the crushing defeat that they were having. What are the details of the complaint?
Well, the gestures were false as well, especially gestures by the Pakistani pacer Haris, because he was playing to the galleries of Pakistan, listening to the social media provocation that his government was spreading. Now, coming to the complaint as well, an email has been written by the BCCI to the ICC, International Cricket Council, complaining about Haris as well as Sahibzada Farhan, that their gestures during a cricket match were provocative. If they deny these complaints, then an ICC hearing is expected to take place, led by Richie Richardson, who's the ICC referee of the elite panel. We also understand that a counter complaint is also filed by the Pakistan Cricket Board. This is against India's T20 captain, cricket captain Suryakumar Yadav, in reference to the comments that Suryakumar Yadav had made after the first game against Pakistan. Suryakumar Yadav had basically credited the victory or dedicated the victory against Pakistan to the families of the victims of a Pahalgam attack, as well as to our armed forces as well. Now, there is another technicality in this. A complaint of this sort needs to be filed within 7 days after the match has played. Now, when exactly the PCB has filed this complaint, that again will be interesting to watch out for. If they have filed it after 7 days, that is after BCCI has filed the complaint, then there is another embarrassment on the cards for the Pakistan Cricket Board. Already, PCB has suffered a massive embarrassment on the cricket field, losing 2 back-to-back games against India, in fact routed, and once when they had threatened to pull out, citing that Andy Pycroft, the match referee, should not be refereeing their game against Oman, but then fearing penalty, they had to again force their team to play the game.
Okay, all right, Arunil, thank you for joining us with those details. In fact, India sealed their Asia Cup final spot with a 41-run win over Bangladesh as well, dominating from the start to finish. Fans gearing up for an epic showdown in the title clash. We have an exclusive interview with Abhishek Sharma's mother and sister after he scored 75 and looking ahead to the big final in the Asia Cup. Take a look.
What a Asia Cup it's proving to be for Abhishek Sharma, and joining me at this moment is his family, mother and sister. Ma'am, to you first, क्या कहना चाहेंगी जिस हिसाब से अभिषेक की परफॉर्मेंसेस आ रही हैं, 74, 75, fearless cricket खेल रहा है अभिषेक?
हाँ जी, बड़ी खुशी वाली गल है और कि अच्छा खेल रहा है और मैन ऑफ द मैच प्राउड वाली है कि गल कि बच्चा मैन ऑफ द मैच आ रहा। सभी अच्छे खेल रहे हैं और भगवान करे कि और खेले, अच्छे खेले सभी और ऐसे मैच जीतते रहे और अपने इंडिया को जिताते रहे।
अभिषेक, पिछले बार पोस्ट मैच में जब बात कर रहे थे तो वो कह रहे थे कि युवराज सिंह का फोन आने ही वाला है कि सेंचुरी मिस हो रही है, तो लगता है थोड़ी डांट भी पड़ जाएगी।
हो सकता है, बोलते
गुरु है, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ। यूवी सर से, पापा से पड़ती रहती है, दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द गेम एंड लाइफ। बट लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इट मीन्स फॉर यू टू सी हिम एट सच अ बिग स्टेज, यू नो, playing such fearless cricket and just taking on the opposition head on, whether it's Pakistan, whether it's Bangladesh. He just sees the ball and he hits it.
Actually, this is the way he plays. And उसको ऐसे खेलने में इतना मजा आता है, ये उसकी नेचुरल गेम है. He doesn't, वो जोर नहीं लगा रहा, कुछ कर नहीं रहा. This is how he plays, and we are super proud. I mean, like ये हमारा हमेशा से, it's like a dream come true, yeah. And ये हमेशा से हमारा ये सपना था, and we are living that dream, you know. What else we want to say?
And I'm also wondering, have you had conversations with Abhishek, you know, when he comes to the ICC Academy to practice? I have seen how the kids yell, Abhishek, one signature, one picture. How does that feel to him?
उसके लिए तो इट्स लाइक यू नो यूथ को वो करना, उनको बढ़ावा देना, इट्स लाइक ही ऑलवेज ही नोज हाउ टू डू इट एंड वो करता है अच्छी तरह से, और उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है व्हेन किड्स आर कमिंग टू हिम एंड यू नो आस्किंग कि ये शॉट कैसे खेलते हैं, वो शॉट कैसे खेलते हैं, सो ही लव्स दैट, ही लव्स इट। या
तो बड़ा फाइनल है मैम, पहले आपके पास आना चाहूंगी, क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी अभिषेक के लिए, पूरी टीम के लिए? एक सेंचुरी ऐसे लग रहा है बार बार लोडिंग है आने वाली है।
बिल्कुल हाँ जी, बिल्कुल आने वाली है, सेंचुरी जरूर आएगी। और मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि एशिया कप हमारे इंडिया आना चाहिए, और सभी अच्छा खेलते हैं, सभी अच्छा खेल लेंगे। कभी हो जाता है, चलो गेम है, एक नहीं तो दूसरा हाँ टीम वर्क, ठीक है, और लेके आएंगे एशिया कप, हमारे घर आएगा,
घर ही आएगा ना। आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, you know, when we look at Abhishek, he's obviously very, very young. He's best friends with Shubman Gill. When we see them at the practice also, they're always laughing together. They're, you know, doing everything together. What is Abhishek's mindset, you know, when he steps into these big games? Is he thinking about the game too much, or is he relaxed? Is he chill? What kind of a person is Abhishek when he steps onto the big stage?
I think he's always at peace. उसके ऊपर कभी भी प्रेशर नहीं होता, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इज ऑलवेज एट पीस, और वो पीस के साथ ही खेलता है, चाहे जितना मर्जी प्रेशर हो फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिट टीम और कोई भी। और वैसे भी हमारे जो कैप्टन हैं सूर्य सर भी, और हमारे कोच भी, तो उन्होंने इतना ईज रखा हुआ इन द टीम दैट वी कैन सी इन द प्लेयर्स, यू नो, एज अभिषेक ऑल्सो, वो अपनी ही इज जस्ट शोइंग व्हाट ही कैन।
Final word, your message to Abhishek Sharma: get the century
and get the cup at home.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. So that was Abhishek Sharma's family speaking on Times Now and saying that hopefully the Asia Cup is coming home.
Well, that's all we could pack for you in this edition of the Bulletin. Thank you for joining us this morning, and don't go anywhere. The morning news hour coming up next.